just right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and
So starting over here with the most fun stuff, I'd say, this whole section right here was from the Target dollar spot, although I don't think I got anything that was $1. This is a little sign, it hangs, it says grow through what you go through. I have a friend who just moved into a new house, so I'm gonna give her that along with this cute pillow that says always take the scenic route, and this fake succulent. The pillow was $5, these were $3. Starting to think ahead for Mother's Day for my mother-in-law as well as my sister-in-laws. So I thought these were really cute. I liked these mugs and the frames, and then I did get them some tea to go with this. My nephew's birthday is coming up, so my boys picked that out for their cousin. Coming over here, we got The Greatest Showman, the best movie of all time. We've been waiting for this to come out. I was so excited to see it. I needed a new setting spray, and any time that I want to try a new product, if there's a travel size, I buy that until I know that I really like it. So this is the Dewy Finish from NYX, and I'm gonna give that a shot. I needed new clips for pulling my hair back when I do my makeup. I don't like wear these in my hair, but to use that for some facial hair strips. Let's just keep it real, ladies. Need to get rid of that. I went ahead and got this BB Fresh. It's the pomegranate extract. I usually get the one that has salicylic acid in it, but I like to use this for sunscreen and a moisturizer and just to help even out my skin tone. I am marathon training, so I'm a little sore these days, so I went ahead and got the Up and Up brand of the Epsom soaking salts. Some fun, colorful paper clips for miscellaneous papers, some laundry soap, shaving cream, a smaller laundry soap for, we're going on a beach vacation and we're gonna be staying in a beach house. So I wanna just bring a small one to be able to wash our laundry when we're done. I needed a razor. This is something new I'm trying, this brand, the Tresemme Expert Keratin Smooth Heat Protect Spray for when I heat style my hair. Some dish soap, needed some batteries. My husband needed contact solution. Air filters, this is your friendly spring reminder to change your air filters. Also, I got some Dr. Teal's Foaming Bath Relax and Relief because I love taking baths. Sandwich bags, trash bags. Now moving into the food section, I just got a few random things there, things I had a coupon for or were a really good deal on Cartwheel. So I love my coffee, unsweetened and dark roast. It's getting hot, so I like an iced coffee in the afternoon. I needed some cooking spray, got some plain oatmeal, some Keurig cups. Those are the vanilla cream puff ones. A kid's snack, animal crackers, the largest ketchup. My kids love ketchup. I had a coupon for this, so it's random, but it'll be a dinner side. This was the tea I was talking about. It's one of my favorites. I grabbed 3 at Target to put with those coffee cups. Some blueberry muffin Quest bars. I usually don't buy these at Target because they're not really a good deal, but I was there and I really wanted them, so I just went ahead and got it. Some Near East rice pilaf for a dinner I'm making. These I also had a coupon for. The Simply Balanced fruit strips, so we got strawberry and mango. I love chocolate rice cakes. When I have a sweet tooth, I'll put a little bit of peanut butter on them, maybe some strawberries on top. So good. And you guys saw the coffee. So that is all the food stuff right there. The other thing, just since you're probably keeping track, dog food and paper towels are in the garage. So throw that onto my total. Now here is a little clothing haul. So this, I keep the hangers for consignment season, but this right here is a hooded, it's hard to tell, but it's a hooded, like this, kind of knit tank top swim cover up, and it has a cute pocket, and it's an appropriate length for needing to stop at the store or something after you leave the pool. You don't really want to be walking through. They had a Cartwheel for graphic tees, so my daughter picked out this owl one. I let them each choose 2. And then that same daughter also picked out this tank top that says every day is a fresh start. It's the Cat and Jack brand. I really love that brand. We got a porcupine, a colorful one with eyelashes. My son picked out this toucan shirt, which I thought was really cute. My other daughter's tank top is this kangaroo tan one, really, really cute. And then another graphic tee, freestyle with a beetle on it. When they choose, you know, they choose. I got my son these denim cutoffs. These are the Cat and Jack brand as well. They have the elastic waistband. Really, really love the look of these little cutoffs on boys. I think it just looks so cute. And then my other guy got this hatching dinosaur shirt and these super comfy, cute shorts. They're like, I don't know what material we would call this, but they're really cute. They were only $7, and so yeah, a little mini clothing haul to go along with it. So that is everything I got at Target, and when you spread it out on your giant dining room table, it really does not look like it should have cost that much money, but it did. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Shop with me. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, let me know down in the comments below, and I will see you guys in my next video.